guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one of my most favorite videos to watch. I also have filmed this video twice in the past, but last year I did not film. This year I have a very new bag and I actually also have done a video on unboxing this bag. This is a birthday gift again and I'm really thankful for this huge surprise gift and I'm very thankful for that. This is the bag that I carry. This is a really huge bag. This is from Charles & Keith. This is in the shade blue. It's a very dark blue. It is so professional yet not black. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get started. So this is how my bag looks. It actually is filled. First of all, I have some snacks. Now this is not something that is there in my bag every single day, but I like to carry something to eat because I might feel hungry whenever, I don't know, so it's just there. The next thing that is there in my bag is my phone. My phone has never changed and also it's not inside my bag when I'm at work, but when I'm traveling it's usually in my bag. And also my bag is fairly new and I like to stay organized. I genuinely need all of these things and since I spend most of my day working at office, I think I need all of these stuff. So that's the reason I'm carrying all of these stuff. It's not just for the video. It's kind of organized because it's a new bag and I also like to stay like that. So yeah, I just wanted to say that here. Next thing I have here are these two small notebooks. If you order something from like t-shirt or a hoodie from bewakoof.com, they'll send you these small books as a gift along with that. These come in really handy if you are somebody who like to make note of things. The bigger ones actually kind of adds into the heaviness of your bag. So I think these are really handy. In this one I actually make note of all of my finances, and in this one I actually track things, the things that I want to do, if I have to visit somewhere, if I have any ideas, anything random. Sometimes I even sketch in this. And I have my glasses. I have power in my eyes, so I need these glasses. It's not necessary that I have to have. But sometimes if I get stressed out or something, if I have too much of work, then these are really helpful in those times. This case is from my Instagram store. If you don't know the store name, I will link it in the description. You can check that out. And my glasses look something like this. They're very basic. Next I have here is my, this is hard drive. I don't use power bank or anything because I have charger at my workplace. It's the same charger for my phone, so it's just fine. And this is where I keep all of my work. It's very important for me to carry this. This is from Sony. It's a 2 TB hard drive, which is very helpful. I have all of my work in this one only. Next I have this hair brush. This is a Tangle teaser but not the original brand one. I got it from Lifestyle. I have it from 2 years. I really like it and it's really compact to carry inside the bag. So next, in the center compartment I actually keep some medicines and my work ID card and my wallet. This wallet is from Fossil. Actually it's a little dirty right now and I always used to carry smaller wallets usually, but this time I got this one because it's a wristlet. You can hang it onto your wrist and walk around if you want to be more comfortable. If I'm going outside, if I don't want to carry a bag or something, I can also put my phone inside of this one. So I really like this. It has a lot of compartments. I have 20 rupees and I have all of my cards and I also have a card holder. This actually when I ordered something from Bobbi Brown, they sent it along with that. This is golden color. It's very nice. And I have my important cards in this if I just have to shift suddenly into a small bag or something. I do that. And it also has the zipper on the back. It's to keep the change or something. It's very good. Next I have this pouch. This is my favorite pouch. It looks so classy. Actually, this one came along with my Zara tote bag, which I have also uploaded a video on, which it came along with that. It is such a good size to carry it around just like that, and also fits in a lot of stuff which I need. So in this I have this box. It's broken sort of. I have couple of earrings if I forget to wear. Next thing I have here is are these green tea packets. This is from a brand called My Daily, and this one is from a brand called Tea Monk. It's a spearmint tea which I really like, and I always have green tea packets because I love green tea and I have to have tea once in a day. It kind of makes me not so sleepy. It kind of gives me energy, so I drink it. I have a pad. I have more tea packets. These are actually some tea packets. Then I have two pens. One is black and one is pink. Then I have a pencil. I have this sugar free. I actually got it when I was doing a keto diet. Now I have stopped the diet, but I still have these things. So I just carry if I want to have milk tea or something like that. So I'll use that. Then I have my earphones. My AirPods are to listen to music and stuff like that, but earphones are really convenient for meeting. Then I have a pen. This is actually my dad's pen. I just keep it for memory. Then I have a vitamin tablet. I have a hair tie. Then I also have this roll-on. Sometimes when there is a stressful day at work or something like that, I get headaches sometimes. Next thing in my bag are these AirPods. Again, I got this as a birthday gift. The music is so amazing. Then I have this huge pouch. This pouch is from Fossil as well. This is very convenient pouch. Fits again a lot of stuff. First I have this rose water spray. Sometimes it gets really hot. It's not really winter in Bangalore. So this is very helpful. Then I have a body lotion, which I took it from a hotel room. Then again I have one more body lotion, again from a hotel room. Then I have my blotting tissues. Because I have oily skin, I need something like this, otherwise my face will look so oily. Then I have some Orbit for fresh breath. Then I have two nail pins. These are from Miniso. These are really cute. Then I have Strepsils, and I have this perfume. This is from Zara. Actually, this is a travel size perfume. The smell is really good, but the thing is it doesn't last for that long. I also have this perfume from Miniso. This actually stays on for such a long time. I think the entire day it stays. You don't really have to apply it again. Then I have a hand cream. This is from Body Shop. Their milk and honey range. I really like the Body Shop hand creams. And I have a lip balm. This is again a new lip balm. This is in the bubblegum flavor. I really like this. I have a facial razor blade. I don't know why I have this. I have two more hair ties. I just keep it everywhere. This is some bill. Actually, I returned something, so it's just there. And I have a spare button. I don't know where it came from. Now the last pouch. This is a makeup pouch. Again, this was from Bobbi Brown. They gave it. It's a very convenient pouch if you want to carry it inside your bag, like with very minimal makeup. So I just have very few things. First I have this compact powder from Nell. This actually was sent in a Glam Ego box, so I just keep it if I feel very oily or something, just like that. I have this blush. Actually you can use this as a lip tint. Mostly I want it for lip tint. I don't wear blush every day. I have this mini lipstick from Bobbi Brown. It's in the shade Red Velvet. I really love the shade. I really like minis. I kind of wear this shade every single day. Next, I have this lipstick from Nykaa. which is my favorite brownie nude lipstick. This is in the shade Chai. Then I have this mascara from Bobbi Brown. Again, you can see it's my favorite brand. I really like that. It's not that it's a high-end brand, that's why I like it. I really like all of their products. That's why I try to get everything Bobbi Brown. So this is their mascara. It's generally, it's basically is there in my bag to set my eyebrows, and this tiny little mirror. And yeah, that's it for today's video as well. If you enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.